Hello friends, today I am going to show how to repair LED bulb with the cost of 20 rupees. This LED I am going to repair it and fix in the new circuit inside it. This is the new circuit. It's cost 20 rupees and it's 12 watt. Here you can see L and N mark. L is line and N is the neutral. AC connected to that 2 points. Now I'm going to open the LED bulb. Just push it gently. All the work must be in gently, otherwise broke off. First removing the cover. Then soldering these 2 points, 1 point and the other point. Removing the LED panel. Then removing the aluminum heatsink. The circuit inside you can see. Take the circuit outside by desoldering at these 2 points. I already done it. This is 2 AC point. You can see the 5 parts inside of the LED. This is the old LED. I dismantle it. Covering, LED panel, aluminum heatsink, circuit and its housing. I'm going to change totally the circuit and the LED and going to keep the new one, new LED panel and its circuit. These are LEDs, main IC and the DC IC, and other components you can see here and other components. This cost only 20 rupees, just 20 rupees. I'm going to fix this wire inside. This come through. And soldering it. The next one, so in the same manner, through it and solder. Yes, came inside, came outside. And solder it. Solder it in the same way. Then fix the new LED. Screw it. Screw it. Yes. Then the next one. Always do gently. Yeah. Came through. Both of it. Both of it. And solder in one at this point and the other one at the next point. Solder it. It's not keeping straight. It's not coming straight. Anyway, yeah. Yeah. And this one to this side. Yeah. Solder it. Keep in position the aluminum heatsink. Keep in position. Fix it. Yeah. Now we're gonna check it. Yeah. Yes, this is 9 watt. It's a 9 watt panel. Yes. Then we fix the cover. It's all right. If you like the video, please share and subscribe it. Thank you. Good night.